Let's start. Right-click the image. Open with Paint. Use Select tool. Select the image. Then right-click. Copy. Then go to AutoCAD. Use drop-down at Paste. Paste Special. Click OK. Select where you want to place the image. Then you can resize. Your image will stay embedded in AutoCAD even if you delete it in the folder.